Hi there! This tutorial will show you how you can integrate PayPal with Vimeo for your WordPress email marketing. Firstly, make sure you have an account with PayPal. Then from your Vimeo dashboard, go to List to select a list or click on Add New to create a list by setting a list name and clicking on Save. Click on the list name and select Settings under Options. Scroll down and enable PayPal webhook and hit Save. Now go to your PayPal account, My Apps and Credentials, Sandbox option, and click on Create App. Set your app name to Vimeo, then set your app type and click on Create App. Scroll down again and click on Add Webhook. Now copy the activated webhook URL from Vimeo and paste it into your PayPal account. Now select the event type Billing Subscription Created. Also select Checkout Order Completed and then click on Save. To test your integration, click on Webhook Simulator in your PayPal dashboard. Now paste the PayPal webhook you copied earlier from Vimeo and paste it as the webhook URL. Finally, select the event for Checkout Order Completed and hit the Send Test button. You will see that your Vimeo PayPal integration has been added successfully in your PayPal account. If your customers check out using your PayPal payment gateway, their email address will be directly synced to your selected email list. And that is how you can integrate PayPal with Vimeo for your WordPress email marketing. For more information on email marketing for your WordPress site, be sure to check out getvmail.io and subscribe to our channel.